Yeah, I know now it's time to taste this thing. 3 fat guys come holler at me, man. I promise you that, love me. Tell 3 fat guys come holler at me. Look, my itch.
Stop playing on me. Stop playing on me.
What's jamming, world? We back in the kitchen with another one. Know what I'm talking about? About to make this brunch sandwich real fast. I never had fresh orange
Squeeze,
juice, so I
go,
made
go,
me
go,
some.
go, go.
And when you know the shit ain't even the same color and it tastes better, you
Dick.
dig? But yeah, we about to take this spinach, chop him on up, throw him in a bowl one time. Know what I'm talking about? With some cream cheese, brown sugar, and honey. Mix him on up. I did mine by hand. You might want to use a blender for this. You know what I'm saying? Make it a little easy. I'm talking about get to the consistency you like. And then, you know what I'm saying? We're going to take a turkey sausage and our hash browns, cook them on up. I'm talking about patty them turkey sausages up like that, like such. You know what I'm talking about? When it's done, slide him over. Put some cheese on it, slide the thing back on there. A little onion and hash browns on that bitch. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Keep stirring it so it don't burn. And guess what we're going to do? Add some mozzarella cheese. You know what I'm talking about? Season that thing up. Know what I'm talking about? Butter. Crack that egg open for baby. It's smash time.